Summer is here, bringing warm weather and outdoor fun. But it also brings the risk of roof damage from storms, high winds, and extreme heat. Ensuring your roof is in top shape is crucial for maintaining your home's integrity and avoiding costly repairs. Here are some tips to keep your roof in excellent condition this summer. Tip 1. Inspect your roof regularly. Regular inspections can help you spot issues before they become significant problems. Look for missing or damaged shingles, signs of water damage, and any debris that could cause blockages in your gutters. Tip 2. Clean your gutters. Clogged gutters can cause water to back up and damage your roof or the foundation of your home. Make sure to clean them out regularly, especially after a storm. Tip 3. Trim overhanging branches. Branches that hang over your roof can cause damage during high winds or storms. They can also drop leaves and twigs that can clog your gutters. Keeping trees trimmed back will help protect your roof. Tip 4. Check for moss and algae. Moss and algae can cause roofing materials to deteriorate prematurely. Use a mixture of water and bleach to remove any growth and consider installing zinc or lead control strips to prevent future occurrences. Tip 5. Schedule professional inspections. While you can do a lot on your own, some issues are best left to the professionals. Schedule a roof inspection with a licensed contractor to identify and address any potential problems.